Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I will go back to farming if Buhari pick Tinubu as successor, Ojodu. Babafemi Ojodu say he will go back to farming if President Muhammadu Buhari choose Bola Tinubu, national leader of All Progressive Congress (APC), as his presidential candidate for 2023. Buhari's special advisor on political matters said this during an interview with Zisodel when asked if he will fall in line if President Buhari choose Tinubu as his candidate. Ojodu claimed he can never support or work with someone he does not believe in. In his word, never, I will never support it. Write it down and I will go back to the farm. Meanwhile, Ojodu had earlier clarified that he would not support Tinubu's presidential ambition due to his principal political choice, not criteria.